Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to insert dates on your spreadsheet and Google Sheets. The first thing that you have to do is to open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. There is too many ways and too many forms of dates to insert, uh, and I'm going to show you some of them. So the first thing that you have to do, or the first way to do so, is by using the function date. After writing the equal operator, you can uh, type a date, as you can see, and I can add my year and the month, for example, the third month, and I will have day like this, for example, 14, and it will insert the date. Or I can just do it manually by just clicking typing like this, for example 5 4, and it will, as you can see, the six number, it converts automatically to the 2006, so it defines him, or it defines the cells as a date. Or you can, for example, just format your cell by for example, I will have here, as you can see, this is a number. I can go to format here in this ribbon, click on format, and you will find the first choice is number. And as you can see, those are the format of the texting, or the type of text that I can have here in Google Sheets. As you can see, this is the date format, and I will just click, and you can modify it however you want. As you can see, you can search for any year that you want and just click on, for example, for a specific dates. Or you can choose from a high or a large group of date formats. As you can see, after going to the format button, click on number, and I will go to custom date and time. And as you can see, you can control however you want your date to show, and you can even control how it should be displayed. Or for example, for the years, either you want it to be shown as like two digits or the full number or whatever. For example, let's choose this one, and I will go apply, and for example I will do like this, and as you can see, it will convert automatically to my dates. So those are the types, or the ways to insert dates on your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.